Talk 35, Fire can take our job, or our life. Today's talk is about a subject that always scares us and worries us. Yet too often, we don't give it the attention it deserves. I'm talking about fire. One of the fastest and most destructive ways we can lose our job or even our life. Fire can start at the most unexpected moment. It can destroy everything in seconds. Our workplace, our friends, even ourselves. At home, you are careful with fire hazards. The same concern must exist at work. After all, this is where we spend much of our day. This is where we earn the living for our families. Our workplace is like a second home. We cannot allow carelessness or neglect to destroy it. Statistics show that many companies never reopen after a serious fire. And when that happens, many workers lose their jobs. Let's hope we never face a fire. But the truth is, a fire can start anytime, anywhere there is something that can burn. Our work areas, our offices, our buildings, all are full of materials that can catch fire. When you think of fire hazards, don't just think of wood, oil, or paper. Think also of dark corners, where oily rags or old clothes are left behind. Think of the rubber insulation on electrical wires. Think of spilled substances that release vapors, which can ignite. And yes, think of yourselves, because clothing and hair can burn too. Only 3 things are needed to start a fire: fuel, heat, air. Put them together, and you have combustion. One common cause: smoking. Lighting a cigarette, where smoking is banned. Dropping a match that is not fully out. If it lands on fuel, a fire begins. We can all help to prevent fires. Keep the workplace clean and orderly. Do not allow combustible materials to pile up. Throw oily rags into proper containers. Follow the rules. Do not smoke where it is forbidden. Keep emergency exits clear. Never block stairs or fire equipment. Keep combustible materials away from heat sources, and report any hazard immediately. But prevention is not enough. We must also know what to do if a fire starts. Know where the exits are, so you can escape quickly. Know how to sound the alarm if you discover a fire. Never try to fight a fire without first reporting it. Many people have died this way, and many companies have suffered losses because of it. Know where the fire extinguishers are, and know how to use them. We can all prevent fires, but if one does happen, we must be prepared to act, because we cannot allow fire to take away our job or our life.